I wanted to show it to you because I use foundation crochet stitches to do the first row. I started with a foundation single crochet. Here's a half double right here. These are double crochets all the way across so that I didn't have to chain. Now the multiple for this particular pattern is 10 chains plus another 4. If I were to do a afghan using this particular pattern, I might have to chain 204 chains. You can lose your count on that and wind up not having enough chains. But if you use foundation stitches, you merely start with the first row and do each stitch all the way across, doing each one as a foundation stitch. That is the advantage of doing foundation stitches. They're also a little more elastic than doing a chain and working into them, so they also work quite well for garments where you have to have a little more elasticity.